It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the AT4. As you can see, we've got the Kalahari inserts in the front seats, as well as the AT4 badging in the headrest. On the driver's door, we've got power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, power folding mirrors. We've got a programmable memory seat, auto express windows, and the child lock button. This AT4 comes with a premium Bose sound system. It's also got a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. Up above, we've got the power sunroof. To the left of the steering wheel, we've got trailer mode, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and some interior and exterior lighting buttons and dials. We've also got the heads-up display button and the information tab. Next, I'll climb right in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. On the left side of the steering wheel, we've got the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. On the right side, we've got the audio buttons. Here we have the digital dash. We can scroll through the dash by pushing the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, we've got the rear window slider, power sunroof, programmable garage door opener, and OnStar. Below that, we've got the rear view mirror camera. We can change that view back to normal by flicking the switch located at the bottom of the mirror. Just below that, we've got GM's Infotainment Center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen displays the outside temperature, the time, and doubles as our backup camera. We've got various camera views. We can change the view by pushing the buttons located at the bottom of the screen. This AT4 also comes with navigation. Below that, we've got the push start button, dual climate control with air conditioning, heated and cooled front leather seats, lane departure alert, park assist, auto stop start, tailgate release, traction control, hill descent control, trailer brake, and some USB and power plug-ins. Below that, we've got the wireless charging pad. Place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. Inside the center console, it's quite deep and spacious. We've got a light in there and some USB and power plug-ins. At the front of the AT4 is the painted grille surround and bumper. Embedded in the front grille is our front camera. We've got red tow hooks down below, fog lights, 20-inch black wheels, a 6.2-liter V8 engine under the hood. We've also got the side blind zone alert in our side mirrors, as well as the turn signal indicator. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. The rear windows are tinted. We've got running boards down below and that AT4 badging. As we make our way to the back, we've got the rear window slider, as well as the corner step bumper. Those corner steps are located on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the back of the truck. This truck comes with GM's easy lift and lower tailgate, so we can drop that tailgate down with the push of a button. It's also got the multi-pro tailgate step, so by pushing 2 additional buttons, we drop that tailgate step down. The tailgate step holds up to 500 pounds. In the box of the truck, we've got the spray-in box liner, cargo hooks, a power plug-in, and box lighting. Next, we'll take a look in the back of this 5-passenger truck. As you can see, there's lots of head and leg room for those passengers riding in the back. On the passenger door, we've got power windows. On the backs of both front seats, we've got seat pockets. On the back of the center console, we've got 2 cup holders, heated rear seats, and some USB and power plug-ins. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. We've also got some behind the seat storage located behind either of those rear seats. As you can see, those Kalahari inserts carry through into the back seats. And we can also lift these rear seats up with ease for some under-seat storage. So come take a look at the 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.